welcome back to my channel. Today we'll discuss Unit 12 of MSc 205. First, we'll discuss what is federalism. Federalism refers to a system with more than one level of governance, each with some autonomy and decision-making power. Next, we'll discuss difference between vertical and horizontal imbalance. So vertical imbalance refers to when the resources of different levels of government, that is center, state and local, do not match their expenditure responsibility. That is mismatch between revenue capacity and expenditure responsibility of center, state and local government. Then it is vertical imbalance. What is horizontal imbalance? When government at same level in different region of a country have different abilities to provide services due to different abilities of raising fund. Example, Bihar have a high degree of horizontal imbalance compared to Haryana. Expenditure responsibility for poor state like Bihar would be higher because of inability to of majority of people to pay and have access to private supply of services they need, but have lower income would permit government to raise only relatively low amount of revenue. Both problem will be less severe and relatively better of Haryana. So vertical imbalances arises at different levels of government, whereas horizontal imbalance arise at same level of government but in different regions. Now we'll discuss the Finance Commission in detail. So Article 280 of the Indian Constitution emphasizes Finance Commission to advise the Union government in the matter relating to central and state financial relation. Appointment of Finance Commission by President of India, Chairman and members on the advice of Union government for every 5 years or earlier. tenure 5 years होता है. The Finance Commission provided with terms of reference, जिसे हम TOR बोलते हैं, that may include constitutionally mandate also any other matter relating to center state financial relations. Constitutionally mandated tasks. What are the constitutionally mandated tasks that are included in the terms of reference as tax devolution or sharing, central tax revenue with the state, recommending grant and aid to states to cover revenue deficit, to to local bodies for natural calamities or for any other reason it's in its discretion. The Finance Commission also considers indebtedness of union and state government to make recommendation deemed appropriate. Now we'll discuss Planning Commission or the Niti Aayog that replaced the Planning Commission. So Planning Commission played a significant role in the area of fiscal federalism in India, oversaw state level 5 year plans, both physical and financial, provided financial assistance for state plans, both debt and growth, both for debt and grants, provided a forum for states to come together and discuss issues important to them in the National Development Committee NDC chaired by the PM of India. In 2014, it was replaced by Niti Aayog, which is so far has been purely advisory body. It just gives advice. So Niti Aayog has some responsibility for monitoring and research and does not play any direct role in fiscal federalism. Thank you guys. Do like, share and subscribe my channel and do comment which next topic you want me to prepare a video for you guys. Thank you.